Good evening. Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how can you unlock your Blackberry device if its mute button won't work. Here you can see my mute button is damaged and it won't work anymore. But you can unlock your device by a very tricky method. Very first of all, you have to you can see my phone is keypad locked and I can't unlock it because my mute button won't work anymore, so there is no way to unlock my phone. No way. Okay, the method is very first of all, you have to long press the power button. Okay, long press the power button until it shows this and immediately cancel it. Okay, now you can, if it's your matter, if you have your password, then use password, and now your phone is fully unlocked. You can see my phone is fully unlocked. You can see once again, if I lock my phone, want to unlock it, it won't work. But by this method, press it until you show this, immediately press cancel, and you can now unlock your any device like this if you have damaged mute button. Thank you.